In this series, Beyond Soft Skills, we shall be now taking up a topic which is equally important as many others we have discussed in the past. And this topic is gratitude. Gratitude is slowly and slowly becoming a very rare commodity in our lives today. It's very common for us to, talk of somebody and say he's so ungrateful. But don't we realize that many people may be referring to us also with the same adjective, ungrateful. And I think none of us want to be, described as ungrateful. So that brings us back to gratitude. So there should be gratitude in life. Even though it is a rare commodity, we need to cultivate more of gratitude in our life. It is so important today that people have realized its importance. And in many of the Western countries, 21st September is celebrated as a gratitude day, during which people make it a point to find out who are the people who have been helpful to them, who have been supporting them, who have been motivating them, who have come to their rescue when they were in trouble, and they specifically, earmark this day for expressing gratitude to those people. Uh, gratitude can be expressed in so many ways. I'm told that there is an office, a corporate office in Mumbai, who have, developed a very unique way of helping people to express gratitude within the organization. They have a gratitude tree. Actually, a tree is painted on the walls in the office premises, and each fruit is an envelope. So, an employee who wants to express gratitude to a fellow employee can put a slip of paper expressing that gratitude and put it in the envelope in that gratitude tree. And this has produced, a really positive atmosphere in the office. Earlier, people wanted to say they're grateful to somebody, they wanted to express their gratitude, but they could never master the courage to, come and speak about it. Now it has become very easy for them to write it down and put it in the envelope in the gratitude tree. And the added advantage is that this slip is available to everybody else to read. So a lot of other people can, read and find out about the good. Good which has been done by somebody, and who else has been benefited by it, and why she or he is expressing gratitude. So we must realize this importance of gratitude in our life, and we should be grateful to people, we should express it. And it is so important that now psychiatrists and psychologists are doing a lot of research on gratitude. Gratitude, in short, is nothing but exchange of positive emotions, and it produces chain reaction. Like if we express gratitude to somebody, that person feel happy, and because I have expressed gratitude and that person feels happy, I also feel happy. And later on, I or the other person may be tempted to show the same, helpfulness to somebody else, and it goes on, and the world becomes a better place to live in. If you want to find out more about gratitude and other positive ingredients of our character, then you should read this book, Beyond Soft Skills, which has been published by Blue Rose Publishers. It is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Blue Rose. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you again.